Hot desking is a form of workplace sharing where employees can take whatever desk is available when needing an assigned workspace. With hot desking, workers can use any desk phone on the network by logging into the phone with credentials from their system administrators. The hot desk soft key is visible on an idle phone. To sign into the phone, select the hot desk soft key. Enter your hot desk dialed number known as a DN. Select the Enter soft key. Enter your PIN. Select the Enter soft key. Your DN shows at the top of the screen. When you are done using this phone, press the Logout soft key. Your DN and name show on the screen. Select the Logout soft key. The phone returns to its prior state.